Hello students, this is your faculty Ragini Dixit, Assistant Professor, School of Management, Bahu Banarsi Das University. Today, I am going to discuss with you on the topic meaning, objectives and functions of supply chain management for the paper Supply Chain Management with the code MBA 4301. The contents of my discussion include introduction, the features of supply chain management, objectives of supply chain management, factors which affect supply chain management, and the various functions which are performed by supply chain management at different levels. Now, coming to the meaning of supply chain management. As we can see from the diagram, a supply chain is a network of supplier, manufacturing, assembly, distribution, and logistic facilities. And these perform the function of procurement of materials, transformation of these material into intermediate and finished products, and finally the distribution of these products to customers. According to Professor Douglas M. Lambert, supply chain management is the integration of business process from the end user to original supplier who provide products, services, and information that adds value for the customers. Now, coming to the features of supply chain management, we can say shows integrated behavior. That is, it incorporates integration of stakeholders from supplier to customers. Then, mutually sharing information. That is, for effective supply chain management, mutually sharing information among various channel members is required, especially for planning and monitoring processes. Now, mutually sharing channel risk and rewards among various channel members, that is, for effective supply chain management, also requires mutually sharing channel risk and rewards that yield a competitive advantage. Risk and reward sharing should happen over the long-term focus and cooperation among the supply chain members. Now, the cooperation. Cooperation among channel members is required for effective supply chain management. Cooperation here refers to similar or complementary coordinated activities performed by firm in a business relationship to produce superior mutual outcomes or singular outcomes that are mutually expected over time. Here, supply chain management focus on serving customers. That is, supply chain succeeds if all the members of supply chain have the same goal and the same focus, that is of satisfying customers. Establishing the same goal and the same focus among supply chain member is a form of policy integration. Then integration of processes is required. That is, implementation of supply chain management needs the integration of various processes, that is from sourcing to manufacturing and to distribution across the supply chain. That is, integration of all these processes is required. The integration can be accomplished through cross-functional terms in plant supplier personnel and the third-party service provider. Then partners to build and maintain long-term relationship. Successful relationships aims to integrate channel policy to avoid redundancy and overlap while seeking a level of cooperation that allow participants to be more effective at lower cost levels. Policy integration is possible if there are compatible cultures and management techniques among the chain members. Now, coming to the objectives of supply chain management. First objective is service orientation. That is providing services to customers. The very basis of supply chains has been to provide superior customer service. That is, service is all about the value that the customer gets, which in turn depends upon his own perception about what constitutes value. The design, the alignment, the integration of the companies on the supply chain and the coordination between them are all for the customer, that is the ultimate customer, and these are performed as such. So first objective of supply chain management is service orientation, and that is the providing better services to their customers. Then the second objective of supply chain management is system orientation. System orientation is at the existence of any supply chain. Here, synergy is required. That is synergy due to cooperation and coordination of various channel members. That is synergy due to cooperation and coordination is the main gain of a supply chain. This entails that while getting optimal results for the chain as a whole, results for the partners on the chain may not necessarily be optimal. This could be less than optimum, but they should work in a synergy. Now, coming to the competitiveness and efficiency. Supply chain is a business organization. It provides value to the customer while being competitive. Competitiveness is essential for it to healthy sustain itself in order to be able to provide increasing value to its customer. Efficiency is an important element of competitiveness. Then, minimizing the time is one of the objective of supply chain management. That is, efficient supply chain is an organization reduces the time required for converting orders into cash. So there is minimal time lag and increase in productivity of the organization. The next objective is minimizing work in progress inventory. That is, supply chain minimizes total work in progress or work in process in supply chain. Improving pipeline visibility. That is, efficient supply chain improves the visibility of each one of the activities of the supply chain by each one of the parts. Then, improving visibility demand. That is, efficient supply chain improves visibility of demand by each one of the partners. Supply chain management also aims at improving quality. That is, efficient supply chain management helps in improving the quality of operations of the organization. That is, total quality management has become a major commitment throughout all facets of industry. Overall commitment to total quality management is one of the major commitments throughout all facets of the industry. Then the various factors which influence supply chain management are consumer demand, then globalization, competition in the current scenario, information and means of communication, then various government rules and regulations, and the environment, that is external and internal environment of the organization. Now, coming to the functions of supply chain management. The functions of supply chain management are generally performed at three levels, that is strategic level, operational level, and technical. Okay, then coming to the first level, that is your strategy forming or strategic level. Here, strategic network optimization, including the number, location, size of warehousing centers and facilities is done. Here, strategic partnership with suppliers, distributors, and customers is formed, creating communication channels for critical information and operational improvements. Product life cycle management is also done over here, and aligning overall organizational strategy with supply strategy is planned in strategic level. Now, coming to the operational level. Operational level consists of daily production and distribution functions. That is, daily production and distribution planning is done, including all nodes in the supply chain. Sourcing planning, including current inventory and forecast demand in collaboration with all suppliers. It includes inbound operations, production operations, and outbound operations. In inbound operation, it includes transportation from suppliers and receiving inventory. Production operations include consumption of materials and flow of finished goods. Outbound operations include all fulfillment activities, warehousing, and transportation to customers. So, all this is performed at operational level by the supply chain. Then coming to the tactic level. Tactic level include sourcing contracts and other purchasing decisions. All the production decisions, including contracting, scheduling, and planning process definition is done. Then inventory decisions, including quantity, location, and quality of inventory is done over there. Then transportation strategy, including frequency, routes, and contracting. Then benchmarking of all operations against competitors and implementation of best practices throughout the enterprise is done at the tactical level. It also focuses on customer demands and habits. So, the functions of supply chain management is performed at three levels, that is strategic level, operational level, and tactical level. So, this was all about the meaning, objectives, and functions of supply chain management. Thank you.